So continuing from the last lecture, we still have a little bit of duplication in our code. So look, we have repeated this animate 2000 milliseconds in two places. So let me show you a cleaner way to implement the fade in and fade out effect. In the transition function, as the first argument, we can supply multiple state change expressions. So here, I can add a comma and add the other state change expression. That is, the default state goes to void. And then we can delete this second transition. Better, right? But we can make this even cleaner. So instead of having two unidirectional state change expressions, we can have a bidirectional state change expression. So I can delete this second expression and make this bidirectional. This is much better from where we started. So here's the lesson. If you have multiple transitions and these transitions have the same implementation, you can refactor them into one transition with multiple state change expressions. Also here we have a couple of aliases. So let me revert this back to what we had earlier. These two expressions are very common. So in Angular, we have an alias for these expressions. So for the first one, when the element transitions from the void to the default state, our alias is enter. So we add colon, enter. And for the second expression, our alias is leave. So that's when the element is leaving the DOM, like this. So using these aliases, in my opinion, is cleaner and more readable than a bidirectional state change expression like this. But if you prefer the other syntax, by all means, go for it. I'm going to delete this. So this is all about transitions.